Hello YouTube, this is AYang at Mazda of Orange. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I would like to present to you the 2022 Mazda 3 Sedan 2.5S Premium Package, all-wheel drive. This one's finished in an all-new color, Platinum Quartz Metallic. It's almost like a champagne pink color. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this one's finished in a white leather interior. I'm going to go ahead and showcase what the 2022 Mazda 3 Sedan Premium trim has to offer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So as I mentioned before, this one is the Platinum Quartz Metallic. It's an all-new color for 2022. It's almost like a rose gold color, absolutely gorgeous. Really brings out the lines on the Mazda 3 quite nice. Now the Mazda 3 Sedan does have this chrome trim running through the front bumper, which gives it a very elegant look. Finished with a gloss black front grille, and you have those side intakes that are functional, and again they're gloss black. This one being the premium package, it does have adaptive front headlights. These are all LED. When you turn the wheel, the lights do move accordingly. This one does have the radar cruise control, which the emblem is a sensor for the radar cruise control system. So when you're driving and you activate the cruise control system, this car will pace itself in front of the car in front, as well as come to a full complete stop as well if needed. These are 18-inch silver alloy rims on the Mazda 3. These ones measure 215/45 all the way around. You do have the keyless entry on this car too. I'll show you that in a little bit. Moving on to the back, you do have LED taillights. And then on this one, you do get the chrome protection bar on the trunk as well. And that's going to be an add-on from Mazda. Now to open the trunk, there's actually a button right there. And you just go ahead and press up. It unlocks. Has quite a bit of room for a sedan. Enough to fit probably, I would say, 2 golf bags and a couple luggage, maybe 2 big luggage bags right here, maybe 2 golf bags over there, and then also you do have a spare. Back seats do fold down by pressing these 2 buttons. To close, they have a handle right here. You just go ahead and close that. So again, mentioned before, this does have keyless entry. You have this button right here. You just press it. It will lock. To unlock, you just have your hand over it, and it'll lock. Moving on to the inside, like mentioned before, this does have the white leather interior. Absolutely gorgeous color. This one being the premium package, you do get your BOSE audio system, so you do have the aluminum covers for the speakers. This one also does have your fully adjustable electronic front driver's seat with lumbar support, as well as your memory settings. There's the key. You can actually open the trunk by holding this here. Unlock, lock, and then you have a panic feature there. So this one being the premium package, you do get a few goodies inside as well. One being you do have paddle shifters on the steering wheel for a more sporty experience. You do have your heated seats. But I'll go ahead and showcase this in a bit. Let me focus on the main screen here. So mentioned before, you do have paddle shifters. Now this screen is full digital, and then the two right here are going to be analog. So on the center screen, you can actually adjust the information that's displayed on here, as well as you can have the miles per hour displayed or the kilometers per hour displayed depending on where you live. So this one here, you can actually set your cruise control, and then now you can actually activate the lines right there just on how fast or how close you want the car to pace. And then this car does have blind spot monitoring as standard. You'll have the LED light there. You can also set it to where it'll actually vibrate the steering wheel if there's a car in your blind spot. And then also on this screen, you can actually have little arrows pointing here depending on where the car is in your blind spot. So it's a very nice little feature to have. This car also does have your lane keep assist. So if you start to drift into another lane, this car will actually steer back into the correct lane. And it's a little hard to see, but you do have your head-up display right there. It'll tell you your current speed. Very nice to have. Moving on to the infotainment screen. This one being the premium package, you do get Mazda Navigation, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay do come standard, but the Mazda Navigation does not. But with the premium package, you do get the Mazda Navigation. And this system is very easy to use. You can actually set all the safety settings to your own preference. So for instance, we go into safety settings, we'll go into the active safety, and then it'll display the lane keep assist. So if you don't like that feature, you can always turn that off. And then you do have your safety alerts. So again, blind spot monitoring, if you click on that, you can actually go to visual to where it'll just show the LED lights, and then it won't sound the audio. But if you want both, you can actually set that to your preference. So very nice. Mazda gives you some options on that. And if you go to entertainment, source list, you're going to have your AM, FM, Sirius XM, Pandora, Bluetooth, and so on and so forth. Moving here, you do have your dual climate control functions. So driver's side and passenger sides can set their own temperature accordingly. And then you do have three-way heated front seats as well. You do have your sport mode button here, which is going to tighten up throttle response. It's going to make the shifts feel a little more sporty, as well as it's going to make the steering just a little heavier for a more enjoyable, sporty driving experience. The infotainment screen is not touchscreen, so it's all going to be controlled by this knob here. Very easy to use. You do have some hotkeys set, so you have your navigation, your music, and your home button, and a back button. This is going to be your favorites button there. And then for auto hold, best way to put it, if you're at a drive-through, you don't want to have your foot on the brake, you just press the auto hold button, and this car will hold the brake for you. When you press the gas, it'll release the brake, and then when you brake again, it'll hold again. Now you do have your dome lights here. You do have a sunglass holder here, and then you have your sunroof here. And then again, close look at the seats. Very gorgeous color. The white with the platinum quartz, in my opinion, works very well together. Nice bolsters on the side, but very comfortable seating. Let's go ahead and hop in the back. You do have child anchors there for a child seat. Here is the view from the back. You do have an armrest here. Very nice, comfortable area to have your elbow. And then you do have two cup holders here as well. And then you have a little dome light right there. So let's go ahead and see what's powering the Mazda 3 sedan. Alright, so we're looking at a 2.5 liter SKYACTIV-G 4-cylinder naturally aspirated engine. This one's pushing 186 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. Now this one being the naturally aspirated engine, you do get good gas mileage for this classic car. You're going to range about 25 city, 33 highway, and about 28 combined, and that's on 87 octane. So you're getting a comfortable, luxurious, sporty vehicle with great gas mileage, along with a premium feeling interior. So that's going to be about it for the 2022 Mazda 3 2.5 Premium Sedan. If you have any questions on this car or any car in our inventory, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My contact information will be listed down below. Again, my name is AYang at Mazda of Orange. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. There's going to be more content coming. Again, until we meet next time, take care.